Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. This is the best Bluetooth shower speaker for shopping on a budget. Anker's leading power management technology and a 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery combine to power up to 24 hours of non-stop music. For under $50, this small powerhouse delivers loud, well-balanced sound within an IPX7 rated design that can survive water, dust and snow. If you especially considering bass tones, then this Anker Soundcore 2 is a really solid option. Its customized dual drivers produce 12W of huge stereo sound. A digital signal processor with dynamic range control ensures high volumes are distortion-free and low levels produce rich bass. The combination of exclusive bass-up technology and a patented spiral bass port takes the low end to new depths while retaining incredible clarity and intensity. You never miss a beat thanks to Soundcore 2's ultra-stable Bluetooth connection. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Bluetooth shower speaker is JBL Go 2 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. If you're searching with noteworthy audio quality, robust sound, then you should purchase this JBL Go 2 speaker. It's fully waterproof, and it's tiny, meaning you can find a place to set it just about anywhere in your bathroom. The JBL Go 2 is a full-featured waterproof Bluetooth speaker to take with you everywhere. Wirelessly stream music via Bluetooth for up to 5 hours of continuous JBL quality sound. Making a splash with its new IPX7 waterproof design, Go 2 gives music lovers the opportunity to bring their speaker poolside, or to the beach. Go 2 also offers crystal clear phone call experience with its built-in noise-canceling speakerphone. Crafted in a compact design with 12 eye-catching colors to choose from, Go 2 instantly raises your style profile to all new levels. Third choice in our list is Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth speaker. Bose is known for crisp, great-sounding speakers. If you're fancy, you can set up in your bathroom. Crisp, balanced sound and unmatched bass for a Bluetooth speaker its size, plays loud and clear outdoors for beach days or camping trips. Built-in mic for speakerphone to take clear conference or personal calls out loud with a wireless range of approximately 30 feet. Waterproof speaker from the inside out, with soft, rugged exterior, resists dents, cracks and scratches. Easily portable with a tear-resistant strap to bring it wherever you go, strapped to your backpack, cooler or handlebars. Up to 6 hours of playtime from a rechargeable battery and wireless Bluetooth pairing. Wireless Bluetooth pairing with voice prompts allows you to easily take calls and access your phone's virtual assistant. Pair 2 SoundLink speakers together for party mode or stereo mode, or use Bose Simple Sync technology to pair with a member of the Bose Smart Home family to play in sync. Number 4 in our side is Insme C12 IPX7 Bluetooth speaker. This waterproof shower speaker plays clear stereo sound combined with natural noises. Perfect for camping, hiking, biking, camping, bathroom showering, backyard party, and other outdoor activities. bring joy to everyone. HD loud clear solid sound, noise reduction design without fear of environmental noise. Enjoy loud solid wireless sound wherever and whenever life takes you. Thanks to dual opposing passive radiators, it pumps out sound while keeping vibration to minimum. 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery lets you enjoy up to 12 hours playtime, rechargeable with USB cable. Enjoy your outdoor challenge trip all day, best choice for camping, biking, boating, kayaking, backyard time. Small Bluetooth speaker bring you the joy of music anytime anywhere. Lightweight design compatible for all people and kids, and easily slip into a handbag, backpack, even your pocket. Last in our top 5 best Bluetooth shower speaker list is Canody waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This waterproof Canody pick comes with its own subwoofer, which means that it can boost and enhance bass in your favorite tunes. This Bluetooth speaker comes with built-in high-capacity lithium battery life, more durable for using. The Bluetooth speaker's power will be displayed on your phone when it is connected via Bluetooth mode. The silicone cases and interface design ensure shockproof, dustproof and waterproof, so it is great for outdoor and shower. It also can be used under harsh environment. Aluminum alloy metal carabiner offers you convenient to hang and attach it to anywhere you want, effective waterproof level 2 IPX45, so you can enjoy the wonderful music in the bath. You can conveniently pick up a call by this mini Bluetooth speaker in car, bathroom, at home or office, anywhere during it is connected to your smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.